morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Today, Bank Nifty performed well and really well, but it was better because we anticipated a fall, and it definitely came in. But the only problem was it did not give us any bigger targets like we expected it to break the weekly low. However, that did not happen today. So anyways, a good day in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out what should we plan for tomorrow. So what FIs have done today is they bought more than 1,000 crores in cash market, and they have created just about 206 long positions in future and closed about 837 short positions in future. They have net buy positions in the call options and also buy in the put options, so which indicates volatility tomorrow. And apart from that, it's also Fin Nifty's expiry, so market can be either completely silent or highly volatile. Okay, so we'll have to be ready for it. And however, market has still not given a proper breakout or a breakdown yet, which is killing a lot of option buyers, especially the new traders who join the market. But one of the reason is the falling VIX. Okay, so however, the VIX has risen significantly today. I think around 8%. So whenever the VIX is trading near 12 or 13, we usually see a spike in VIX. Probably a good breakout or a breakdown can happen very soon. So we'll have to be prepared for that. So I think this is the best time. If you want to go positional trading, you can go with a calendar spread. So calendar spread will fetch you money, especially when the VIX rises. And apart from that, pros have completely called shorts, and that was clearly visible today in 41,500 call in Bank Nifty, and as well as 17,800 CE in Nifty. Okay. So overall, pros data is bearish, and FIs are expecting both side move with volatility. So that's the take. However, FIs still hold a lot of short positions. So as of today, they have 1,04,497 index shorts, which is without a hedge. Okay, and that is still dangerous. But the problem is market is not going down either. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of the future long and short. So this orange line is the future shorts that they have, and this is the future long that they have. So we need such kind of a crossover so that the market gets bullish, and I'm expecting, or the entire universe is waiting for this to happen so that they cover their shorts and the market goes up. But at least like if they have to cover their shorts, they should have been constantly kept on buying in the cash market, since market is in range for more than 10 days now. But that also did not happen. Only on last Friday they bought for about I think 200 or 300 odd crores, and today they bought for about 1,200 crores. So if they would have accumulated in the cash segment, we would have been a little positive. But the kind of shorts that they are holding is still killing us. So let's get back to the charts and understand what should be the trade plan for tomorrow. So this is a 1 hour chart. The reason I shifted to a 1 hour chart is because of this candle. Okay, the 12:15 candle in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty, same 12:15 candle. So this is a hammer candle. Okay, so hammer candle on a higher time frame always has a value to it. Okay, so what we need to keep in mind is, so first you need to understand when a reversal takes place with a hammer candle, or when do you actually take a bullish position. So for example, if this is a support and you find a hammer candle here and you find a red candle here, so whenever this red candle is taken out, with the same time frame. Okay, so whatever time frame you form this hammer, that time frame it should give a breakout of the previous red candle, that considered to be a a bullish entry. Okay, so in this case, this red candle is a key. Okay, we need a closing above this. A lot of time, at least a couple of time, it tried to breach the high, but unfortunately it couldn't close. So whenever this happens, okay, so you can actually make it like a range or something around 41,400. So when it gives a breakout of 41,400, we can expect Bank Nifty to be bullish. Okay, so now the same case for Nifty also. So now let's move back to a smaller time frame. So okay, so what we can do is, since we discussed 41,400, let me shift this line a little down, okay, to this place. Okay, so what we'll do tomorrow is, if Bank Nifty opens flat and in any case it goes up here and gives a breakout of 41,400, okay, then we'll go for a call trade. What should be the target? The nearest target is 41,500 and then 41,600 and then eventually 41,700. But will we make such a move? It's still doubtful because we have an expiry tomorrow. But at least I think if it moves up, we could get these two targets. So this is one of the trade in case of a flat opening, and if it breaks the resistance of 41,400. Right now the closing isn't that great. It has closed somewhere on the lower side, and 41,264 is an important support. If you remember, yesterday I gave you a target of 41,264, which was achieved immediately after it broke 41,513. So this was the level that we spoke about. If it breaks 41,513, it will come to 41,264. This was the first target. The second target was 41,100, and then eventually 41,000 was our target. 41,100 because it was a weekly support here, which is around 41,095. But just about 60-70 points before, it took support here, and this support is basically the hammer candle. Okay, so sometimes what happens is, if this range is big, it can even trade within 41,400 to 41,150, because it is also a good range for the market to be sideways. So keep this in mind. We have VWAP here at the last swing, and trading above VWAP itself is like a confirmation of being on the bullish side. And when we break 41,400, we can go for a call trade. And where do we take the put trade? Put trade, I would only suggest if we open with a gap up, say around 41,500, because like I said, we can see a lot of writing here at 41,500, which is definitely by pros. See, this has the highest open interest of 1,98,093 with 1,03,042 contracts being added today. Okay, and this number you will never ever see anywhere in the put side, even at the far OTMs like 40,000. So we don't have such a huge open interest here. So call side, definitely the pressure is going to be there until and unless pros don't get frightened. So if that happens, then there is a possibility of a short covering. Uh, but for that, I think if we get a dip, definitely they'll short cover. Okay, so in case if we open flat and we take support at today's low, I think you should definitely give a try for a call trade once here. And then we can expect the market to move up, uh, just because they can cover their call trades, the call shorts that they have. But in case of opening around 41,500, definitely will get a dip. So here is somewhere you can still give it a try to go on the put side. So you can still use the same level of this particular swing, okay, or maybe this swing somewhere around 41,500 to 515. If you open there and you see, a red candle, and the next red candle immediately crosses the low, you can definitely take a put entry for the target of 41,300. Okay, so these are the trades I told you where you need to take call, and so this is a call entry, and breakout of this is a call entry. Gap up opening around here is a put entry. Gap down opening, and you'll have to wait and see if it takes support at this hammer. Okay, if it does, then definitely you can take a call entry here. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty, and for Nifty again we need it to cross 17,800. Okay, so above 17,800, or you can take a buffer of 17,815 also. So above 17,800 or 815, we can expect upside move until 17,878. Okay, so 17,880 should be the target. Okay, and similarly, if it is trading below this swing, it will be on the weaker side, but we'll take entry once it crosses 17,720. Then we can expect it to fall down further to 17,585. This should be your target. Okay, now let's talk about gap up and gap downs. So gap down opening say around 17,740, 720. We'll wait and see if it takes support here. You see another hammer, say on a smaller time frame, maybe like a 15 minutes, and you see it crossing, another uh, red candle, or just you see a hammer and you see that it is crossing the high. You can definitely take a call entry. The first target should be around 17,785. Okay, so and anything anywhere if it opens around 17,815 or something, we'll see an initial dip. You can trade this dip, but immediately close your positions, because pros will definitely have a fear in their mind, just because if one of the case could be market opening with gap up. This is one of the scenario, and the second scenario being FI is having call longs. Okay, so FIs may convert one of this trade to the put longs to a put short, or maybe call longs to a call short by doing some ratio spread. So that also we can keep an eye on the option chain to understand what's happening. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all understood it and enjoyed it. Continue to like the video, subscribe the channel, share it with your family and friends. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.